इंडिया इन ओलंपिक्स। भारत ओलंपिक में। टोटल मेडल्स won by India in Olympic are at 28। भारत ने 28 मेडल ओलंपिक में जीते हैं। गोल्ड मेडल 9, गोल्ड मेडल्स 9। इंडिया won its first gold medal in 1928 Olympics in field hockey। In 1932 Olympics in field, second Olympic gold medal in 1932 Olympics in field hockey, third gold medal in 1936 Olympics in field hockey, fourth in 1948 Olympics in field hockey, and it was India's first Olympic medal after gaining independence. Fifth gold medal in 1952 Olympics in field hockey. Sixth Olympic gold medal in 1956 Olympic in field hockey. Seventh in 1964 Olympic in field hockey. Eighth in 1980 Olympics in field hockey. Ninth in 2008 Beijing Olympics, Abhinav Bindra created history by becoming India's first individual Olympic gold medal winner by winning gold medal in shooting। इन 2008 बीजिंग ओलंपिक में अभिनव बिंद्रा ने इतिहास रचा। भारत के पहले इंडिविजुअल ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट बनके। सिल्वर मेडल 7। पहला और दूसरा ओलंपिक मेडल 1900 ओलंपिक मेडल में नॉर्मन पिचर्ड द्वारा एथलेटिक्स में जीते गए और ये इंडिया के एकमात्र एथलीट, इंडिया की तरफ से एकमात्र ऐसे एथलीट हैं जिन्होंने सिल्वर मेडल इंडिया के लिए जीता। In 1960 Olympic, India won its first silver after gaining independence. In 2004 Athens Olympic, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore created history, winning India's first individual silver medal after gaining independence. In 2012 London Olympic, Vijay Kumar won silver medal in shooting. In 2012 London Olympic, Sushil Kumar won silver medal and it was his second Olympic medal in Olympic. He is the only Indian to win 2 individual Olympic medals. In 2016 Rio de Janeiro, PV Sindhu became the only badminton player to win silver medal. Bronze 12। In 1952 Helsinki Olympic, Kasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav became the first to win individual medal by winning the first bronze medal. He also holds the record, being the first athlete to win medal after and before India gained independence by an Indian. Leander Paes became the first Indian tennis player to win Olympic medal in form of bronze medal in 1996 Atlanta. Karnam Malleshwari became the first Indian woman to win a medal. She won the bronze medal in weightlifting at 2000 Olympic Sydney. India won bronze medal in field hockey at 1968 Olympic. India won bronze medal in field hockey 1972 Olympic. India won bronze medal in 2008 Beijing Olympic at boxing. Vijender Singh became the first boxer to win a medal for India. Sushil Kumar became the second wrestler to win Olympic medal for India at wrestling by winning bronze medal at Beijing Olympics. Saina Nehwal became the first badminton player to win Olympic medal for India in badminton. She is also the first she is also the second woman to win bronze medal for India and first badminton player, whether male or female, for India to win Olympic at to win Olympic medal at 2012 London Olympic. Gagan Narang won bronze medal at 2012 London Olympic in shooting. Mary Kom became the first Indian woman boxer to win medal at Olympics for India. She won bronze medal at London Olympics. Yogeshwar Dutt won bronze medal at 2012 London Olympic in wrestling. Sakshi Malik became the first Indian woman wrestler to win Olympic medal by winning bronze medal at 2016 Rio de Janeiro. She is overall fourth